Hello friends, decided today to work on the buggy, the Polaris. I have this parking brake thing I bought off Amazon and just accidentally came across it, but I don't know about anybody else and I don't know about Polarises in general, but this one does not have a parking brake. Without a parking brake, it seems to me like it's a little hard to get out of park. It's really clunky and I really don't care for it. So when I saw this thing, I thought, wow, that's just the ticket. Simple. About the only thing I can really see a problem is forgetting to disengage the brake, but I'll report back on that. This thing's pretty simple. Apparently, there's two bolts that hold the brake pedal assembly on, and I found out that it's a 13 millimeter. I'm using a deep well because it seems like it might be a little bit too much thread sticking out, but all you got to do is unscrew those nuts there, put this on, screw them back on, and you're there. So that's where I'm at now. Let's see what happens. I tell you, I don't know about any of you guys, but since the advent of these battery-powered drill and drill driver impact wrench, I'm getting lazy where I have to use it, especially on these nylock nuts where there's a lot of threads and it just takes forever to get them off. You can't unscrew them with your fingers. But anyway, so far I got both of the nuts off, and now I'm just going to put the parking brake thingy on, tighten it back up, check it out. And there we are. Looks like about 5 minutes at the most. Take off two nylocks, put the parking brake thing on, tighten it back down. As far as it working, all I can gather is you press on the brake with your right foot, bring your right toe over, lock that in place. And then to release it, which I was wrong before, it doesn't look like there's going to be a problem. All you have to do is make sure you press on the brake pedal, listen for it to snap back, and you're golden. All right. All right. Time for the test. Pretty steep hill. I'll show it to you later. So you can see it, the red down there. Push the brake in, reach over, and latch it. All right. Low gear, neutral, park, reverse, park. Let's walk out here. Show you how steep this is. Not super steep, but the brake's holding. Give you an idea of how steep it is. All right, let me close this door before I rip it off. These things gotta go. They're not bad if you don't have to use them, but you got 2 points that you got to worry about at the bottom and the top. All right, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get back in. I'm going to start it up. My foot's not on the brake. I'm going to shift out of park into reverse. See that? All right. Seems pretty reasonable. All right, now, brake is released. I'm going to put it in park. Watch it. It's going to ride back. Now, I'm going to put the brake on. You hear that? That's how it is, shifting into reverse or any gear. So, I think I'm going to give this thing high marks. Takes a little bit of coordination to get it on, but seems to work pretty good. I still haven't dealt with this mirror yet, but the side view mirrors I've been really pleased with. They give me a lot more confidence about not backing into anything. So I'm going to put Bucky away, and then I think I'll be done for the day. All right. Really appreciate you watching. I'll show you what that horn and this, especially this brake. There's the horn again. All right, so release the brake, reverse, brakes on, puts off the brake, in neutral, not rolling.